was a bit rich, but okay. It's all gone. When I was 6, I had a bag of plums. Balam bam boola, balam da diddy boom. Bendy, bendy, bendy. You big wally. Can I have a drink? Well, I can't stop myself. What's a chocolate cake indeed. The chocolate cake's gone. Chocolate cake in my belly. The chocolate cake's gone. And the chocolate sauce. Go on. Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. The creaky floorboard. That's really dangerous, you know. Don't worry about it. Get off me! Hello? Hello? Hi, everybody. Anything happened today? It was horrible. Watch out, everybody. The potato's really hot. I am dead. I wanted a wee. It just went off. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Keel over and die. My toenails! My toenails! My toenails! My toenails! Na. Nice. No breathing. Oh no. Okay, Mum, okay. Quick! Get out! Get out of here! Shut up! Shut up! He spits a potato all over his plate. Steer! Swish, swish. Terrific. That's a shame. She was really nice. That's my ear. The noise. The Skyvogel. I've been up here for 3 weeks. And I've got a whole slice this time. A little bit wobbly. Wow. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah. You crossed the line. That's my ear. Nice.